Hi, this is the norming video for 5th grade math constructed response for Common Assessment 1. My name is Monica Warren and I will be walking you through some of the constructed response questions and some of the answers you can anticipate to find. What you'll first want to do is open up the exemplar response from the CTL, and it should look something like this when you first open it up. What you see here is a test key that shows you that for part 1 it is 0 to 2 points, and this is the TEK that it is attached to. And then for question number 2, it is worth 0 to 3 points and is attached to this TEK right here. As you scroll down, you will find a scoring rubric attached. And then if you keep going down, you will find the exemplar response. For question number 1, it is worth up to 2 points. So the first question asks scholars to create the largest number possible from a set of digits after placing the following digits in the right place as outlined up here. So what they should get is an answer that is 2,745 and 638 thousandths. Should be written out just like this, and they'll get 1 point for the correct answer. If they flipped 2 of the digits, for example, they would receive no points for that answer. Once they have the answer in part A, they will then write that number in expanded form. And it should look like the following. They can write it horizontally or vertically, and they get 1 point for the correct answer. If you come up here, you'll see those two written out just like this. If scholars do not get the correct answer for part A, they do not receive the credit for part B for writing the wrong number in expanded form. If you go down to number 2, this question is worth up to 3 points possible. So for part A, there are 2 different ways that you could see scholars answering this question. The CTL has written both of those out for us. You'll see that they'll start with the $8.57 and then take away the amount for the drink, take the leftover, and then take away the amount for the cheeseburger. They might invert these and subtract the cheeseburger first and then the drink, and that's totally fine. They may also add up the drink and the cheeseburger and then subtract that from the total amount that Raymond had. Either way, the answer for part A should be $4.74 for that question. And then for part B, they should take that answer and subtract it from $5 to get 26 cents or 26 cents written out like this, and that is also worth 1 point. What you will find is that they get 1 additional point for showing work in both parts A and B. So for example, what you see written right here would be worth a total of 3 points because they would get 1, 2, and then the extra 3rd point for showing their work on both parts. Let's suppose that a scholar sets up both parts of the question correctly, but they have a computational error in the first part that gets them the wrong answer, and that also gets them the wrong answer on part B. That should be awarded 1 point for showing the correct understanding of how to set up the problem. They just did not understand how to add or subtract that correctly, so they would only receive the 1 point. If you run across any other combinations where you're not sure how many points to award, underneath where this constructed response video and exemplar is posted is a discussion board. Feel free to type out your question there, and the CTLs and myself will be checking that regularly and try to help answer your question. And if you have anything else, feel free to post it there or to email me directly. Thank you.